Good morning, everyone. So in today's lecture, we will discussing about how to get informations under RTI Act 2005. So in previous lecture, we have studied about the introduction, scope, exemptions of RTI Act. Now we will uh, doing the procedure of requesting information under RTI Act, and we will also get to know about fee and charges and time limits for the getting information. So what is the procedure of requesting information under RTI Act? See, it is very simple procedure, and it facilitates to every Indian citizen to get information under RTI Act, which is not exempted under this act. So first you need to apply in writing through electronic means, or in written form, in manual form, in English or Hindi or any other official language of that particular area, to the public information officer. So PIO, which is public information officer, is responsible to provide an individual any information which is sought for. And in you can give application in writing in Hindi, English, or any regional language which is official in that particular area. So you can write an application and regarding what kind of information you are uh, seeking for. However, the reason for the information that what information you are seeking for, and which is it is why, so you need not to mention the reason. You can mention the reason, but it is not necessary to mention the reason to acquire this information. And you need to pay a fee which is prescribed, and that fee is very nominal. It is just 10 rupees per application. So if we talk about fee and charges for receiving an information under RTI Act, so the application fee is rupees 10. Uh, if the information is required in electronic form, so the floppy or CD or pen drive, so additional charges of that particular medium is also applicable. However, government is trying to increase the application fee, because there is also a misuse of such a nominal fee. Every individual wants to seek unnecessary information from different public authorities, which could increase the work of PIOs as well. So to reduce the number of inquiries, the government is planning to increase the fee and charges. So if you want the information in a floppy, CD or pen drive, so additional charges is applicable. And if you want photocopy of any information, so 2 rupees per page is the charges for the photocopy of any record. Yes, the people who is seeking information and belong to the below poverty line, so for such citizens, there is no fee applicable in that case. And it could be free of cost if the public information officer fails to comply with the information within time limit prescribed in RTI Act. So if he does not provide information within the time limit, the application fee will be refunded to the person. So what is the time limit for getting information? If you directly filed the application to PIOs, so you have to give 30 days. So within 30 days you will receive the information. And if you have filed the information with assistant PIOs, so you need to give 5 days extra. So that means 35 days is required to receive maximum. It is a maximum limit of 35 days. You can receive information within 35 days also. So 5 days extra is given when in case you have directly not given application to the PIOs, you have filed application with the assistant PIOs. However, in the case of such information which is related to liberty or life of any individual, so in that case, within 48 hours, you receive the information. And if PIO reject to give the information, so he need to give the reason for rejection also within a specified date. That means within 30 days, if he does not want to provide information or it is out of his judicial territory, so he need to give the proper reason for not giving the information. And if without reason PIO is not able to provide information, so 250 rupees per day penalty is applied on him, which is maximum up to 25,000 rupees, which is paid by the salary of the PIO. So it is a very powerful tool when it comes to seeking information under RTI Act. And the procedure is very simple. So I hope you understand the procedure of filing information under RTI Act. Thank you.